May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, you can.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Please have a seat.
Thank you, ma'am. This is my CV.
Thank you. So, you are Nandini.
Yes, ma'am.
So, first of all, tell me about yourself.
Ma'am, my name is Nandini. I'm from Bihar. I have completed my MA from English Literature from Delhi University, and I have also done BA from Department of Education, Delhi University. I have 4 years of teaching experience, and I am very enthusiastic and determined. My hobbies are reading, gardening, and exploring myself.
So, my first question is from you that who is your motivator? When you feel motivated, who motivates you?
Ma'am, my motivator is my mother. My mother dedication inspired me to be a better teacher. Uh, her tirelessly work for her family motivates me to work hard for my students. Her patience and care teach me to understand and support my student every day.
Okay. So, what's your weakness when you feel weak?
Ma'am, I think that I'm a very emotional person and sometimes I did not control my emotions, so this is my weakness.
Why you need that job?
Ma'am, I need this job because I want to take my responsibility. I want to become independent, and I want a platform where I show my talent, knowledge, and skill.
Okay. So, why should I give you this job?
Because, ma'am, I'm very excited about this opportunity to work at your school, and based on my research, I feel that my teaching style would be good fit for your students, and this benefit your student.
Okay, so I give you a situation in which there is a one boy in your class who always annoy you, who always irritate you, who do not listen you, who doesn't do your work. So how you handle that type of child? How you manage it?
In that situation, I prefer to talk with that children personally and try to understand what the problem is and solve it. If after this student does not show any improvement, so I prefer to take PTM.
Okay, so why you choose our school to teach?
Firstly, ma'am, this is the best option for me because your school is very near to my house. Moreover, I believe that your school is one of the best school in our districts, and I would be grateful to part of it.
Okay, so ma'am, do you have any question?
Yeah, of course. First of all, tell me that how will you motivate your students?
Well, my way of motivating my student is that I prefer to praising student even when they achieve just little bit progress. It really motivates the student.
Okay, give me 3 to 4 skills that must be in a teacher.
First, the strong communication skill. Second, good listener. Third, good teacher have patience, responsible and humble.
How will you teach English? I mean, as a subject or as a language?
Ma'am, both. I teach English as a language as well as a subject. But my priority is that English as a language is very important for student. But when they pass the school, so they interact with people. So English, we must that student know how to speak in English and interact with people.
Okay, and what's your teaching style?
Ma'am, my teaching style is very supportive, interactive, and transparent. I encourage my student to arise their voice in the class and participate in all conversation happen in the class.
By the way, I personally like your
Thank you,
thinkings.
ma'am.
So you may go now. We will inform you. The result will come after 2 days. So
Thank you,
we will-
ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.